You will need hearts that are cut out of cardboard, magazine paper that you are going to be tearing up into little pieces. Find something you like. You're going to need a glue stick. This works best if you apply the glue to the paper pieces and then glue them down securely to the heart. Keep working until you have covered the entire heart on both sides, overlapping on the edges. This takes a little bit of time and effort, but once you have completed it, it really looks nice. Next, you want to find some type. Think of a word like love or whatever, suits your desire to write on this. Cut them out of the magazine paper and glue them on. The final thing you're going to do is take a piece of ribbon and you're going to glue the back part of the heart, and you're going to attach the ribbon to the heart, gluing it down with another piece of paper, one of the magazine papers, and make sure it's secure and dry before you hang it up.